Welcome back! Want quick access to your favorite gaming apps in your browser? Today, I'm going to show you how to pin your favorite gaming apps, like Discord, to the sidebar in Wave browser. Let's get started! Step 1. Open Wave browser. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the official website. Step 2. Navigate to the site you want to pin to your sidebar. For this tutorial, I'll use Discord as an example. Step 3. On the right sidebar, you'll see a plus sign icon. This is the Surf Shop. Click on it. Step 4. Find the Current Tabs section in the Surf Shop. This is where you'll see all the tabs you currently have open. Step 5. When you hover over your current tab, like Discord, a plus sign will appear. Click on your current tab to add it to your sidebar. And that's it! Now you have quick access to your favorite gaming app right from the sidebar. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!